Hello guys, let us have let us see how Nifty Bank behaved today. It opened gap up, made a high of 35,576, very close to 35,600. Then came down. Then so you can see next few candles like this. Then one big red candle. I funnily refer these long candles as a pole. So this is a red pole, and actually today you see a lot of big candles. As it is volatile, and also in the afternoon there was this news that the finance ministry is going to give a press conference during market hours around 3 o'clock. So after that also obviously that kind of news affects markets and definitely Bank Nifty. So you can see a lot of long candles today. Okay, after this big candle, then it whenever it made a low, it recovered. You can see from this long lower wicks. Then it consolidated, it went up here, then again the fall 1 2 3 4 5 like 20 minutes 25 minutes kind of thing. Then some sideways consolidation, recovery. Then you can see here very small candles, about 20 minutes there is a consolidation, then the breakdown again, then the big candle breakdown, then the consolidation going up. I think around 12 o'clock or so that news came. Then this gyrations up and down started happening. Then there is a low, there is a recovery. Then you can see it hasn't started at 3, if I remember right. It started around 3:10 or so. So before the press conference there is this these candles, but it's a recovery. When the market closed, actually she was halfway through. Some announcements were made, some being made after 3:30. So overall what has happened, in the morning it opened well with a gap up, then the high made in the first 15 minutes itself. Then all these things happened, and in the end it closed. It technically looks like negative, but we'll see the daily candle. It's like a 5-point decline, so almost a dozy. Close is equal to today's close is equal to yesterday's close. Okay, we will see the daily time frame. Okay, this is the daily chart. If you see it here, though this looks like a red candle, it's still above the falling trend line what was drawn a couple of days ago. Then because it is sustaining above 35,000, it looks like at least it is sustaining there comfortably. I have given another support line here around 35,000. So now the supports would be 34,900 to 35,000, because we are above 35,000 around some 300 points. So even if it comes down by 1%, we are still in this range, 34,900, 35,000. So I have given this as support, so you can see it here. Then the stronger support below that, another 500, 34,400, 35,500. Then if you notice, today it almost touched that 35,600, so I have given that as a resistance. It closed some 350, like 600, some 250 points below that. So tomorrow if it goes up, that will be the first resistance, a target. If it goes above that, it will be like 35,800. Okay, I'll just take you back to 5-minute chart and show you something. 1 point quickly. See, even when all these up and downs are happening, all the gyrations are happening, if you notice on the shorter time frame, see, multiple times it has come down to 35,200, got support here, here, here. See, even in the end. But the common thing is, it is these levels are around 35,000. 200. Okay, you can take that as an intraday support. Then if you notice, whenever it went up, it is very close to 35,400. So you can have that 200 point range for intraday, and consider the other supports where we have talked about in the daily time frame, and have our strategies accordingly. It from the price action, it looks like Nifty Bank is more bullish than bearish. It's purely from the price action. Every day is a new day. Tomorrow can be different, but instead of selling short, I think it is better to wait for some support level or a dip, then buy, go long in our trade. Okay, these are my views, so you can have yours obviously, then trade accordingly. Okay, then thank you. Thanks for your attention.